just going to drop off all the Christmas presents that we got from the toy drive at the Christmas bank.
At JBS Equipment, we spend our days building things that work hard for people. But sometimes, it's about showing up in smaller ways too.
We bring all the toys.
Program coordinator here.
I'm Justin Vaughn. This is Braden.
Nice to meet
this
you.
is Mike.
Nice to meet you.
She's all quiet, eh?
Still have it, yeah. This is okay, so
Yeah, someone.
These toys were gathered through a company toy drive. And when we saw what we had, we knew they could be more in the right hands.
You want to keep this?
Giving back to our community isn't a campaign for us. It's just part of who we are.
No way. Oh, yeah, Jerry's awesome.